Yep, you know. Look at that cone shot. You know, Nick. You know, Tim.
And there he goes. Oh, right through the hands, and he was open. That wasn't Tim's fault. Tim tried. Gotta get the water. Oh no, he's on the Gatorade now.
Gatorade, my other sponsorship.
Can I put in a request for a camera with a viewfinder?
What?
It's very hard to see the screen in the sun.
Yeah, Brian, well, I didn't have $1 million to buy a nice professional camera. That was all I could get at the time. If you want to pitch in on one, I will.
And he's sick again.
No, water break. Water break. I'll be back in.
Hydration.
Hydration.
Okay, we've had a change in quarterback. Now Garrett is going to be the quarterback. Let's see what happens. Charlie was actually getting into a rhythm, so this is a questionable change. But
Fire request.
Okay, he answered that for me. Incomplete, and somebody's on, and Tim's on the, no, it's not Tim. Holy cow. Ooh, what is this? Feast your OFL eyes on this. Alex Applequist is now the quarterback for Tim's team. Is this the first time we've ever seen this? It might be.
It's not. You're ridiculous. Mike? I like this. Oh, nice catch.
And that was a touchdown. And Alex has a 75% passer rating. Alex has a 75% passer rating on that drive. There's the timeouters. We're just waiting for the rest of the players to enter the field. And then water bottle.
Yep, you know. Look at that cone shot. You know, Nick. You know, Tim.
Incomplete. That'll hurt your passer rating. Offsides for Kyle Mullen. But, you know, he's a Packers fan, so what do you want from him? They're used to cheating. The Packers fans. Kyle was offsides. Look at him go. Don't know his name, I forgot, but it's his first game, so we'll call him rookie. And he made a touch. Oh, wait, there. He's getting the congratulations from his team. And there actually is no butt slaps. But wait, let's watch Sam. And Sam, make sure you spank him real good after that one.
No, Sam,
that was abrupt.
They got a busy schedule. I'm just glad they came.
How dare they have things to do?
Even if it's for an hour or something. Glad anybody shows up.
Charlie's trying to coach him. See them coaching. Don't do that again. That one could have been intercepted easily. Right, Theo? Right, Theo?
Yeah.
Are you the referee?
Yeah.
Is that what referees do?
Yeah.
Oh. How come you don't have your OFL shirt?
But I'm gonna keep running. Come on.
Oh, okay. You keep running. Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty fun. I don't know. I might come back. Idiot.
Are you filming? Are you filming? Are you filming?
Yeah, Theo.
Are you filming?
Yeah, Theo.
Gotta love that H2O.
Hydration. First down, Alex already directing traffic. He's getting into this roll. AA. We got double A here. Tim is trebuchet and double A. Sweet play.
I know, right?
Sweet play, AA. You're the trebuchet and Alex is AA. You're the trebuchet.
Why are you even talking?
We had a collision. There's an injury. There's an injury on the field.
Oh my goodness, I cannot make a cut without cleats.
Who did you collide with?
Oh, I just went out, my legs.
Oh, so no one. The air.
Yes.
Wind it up. Releases. Oh, the sun. I think that one was purely the sun. Ah. Your quarterback rating is 0 right now.
Don't worry, he'll off it. Put it on the belt.
Did he get him? Oh no, he said he missed. That is a touchdown. Tell us what you saw on that play.
I don't know. I closed my eyes and threw it.
Did you run at the camera and do your horrible belt move? Okay, good. We gotta make sure to edit that out. Nice throw.
I heard Tim's feet stomping. I was like, uh-oh. To watch the ball.
What happened?
Tim died.
Your dad got injured.
It's a flesh wound.
Yeah.
What happened, Dad? Dad?
He's all right. What?
What happened, Dad?
Daddy got hurt, but I'm all right. I just slid
I was
out of
gonna
my
be a
knee and
I was gonna rescue you.
you gonna rescue me? Are you gonna come in for
Yeah,
me?
yeah, it was no emergency.
Are you gonna come in for me? You my hero?
Let me look to the sky.
Okay.
Okay, one more drive each on offense. And then we're gonna call game. 6:20.
Alright.
Tim's got a hot date tonight. Tim's trying to say that he caught it. I don't know if Kyle believes it, but he is a Packers fan, so. And Tim's on the ground.
Oh, another emergency!
Go save him.
Alex, that was good. I just keep losing sight of it in the sun. It's like
You gonna save him?
and I can't. I have a hard time.
With your cape?
And I did this,
So what do you have to say about this game?
and I just run into this, and I just walk.
Yeah? Did you like this game?
Yeah, we did. And also,
One day, my son will take the OFL throne, and I'll retire forever.
Jared, I'm gonna attack you.
What? Alright, it's game. There we go, there go the players.
You probably don't
Off
want to
the
because you're
field.
all sweaty and it's good. No, trust me, you don't want to wear it before I walk on. Yes.
Look at just throw up.
What?
Just here.
What? You want me to show the throw up?
Yeah.
Is that your vomit?
No, that was the doggy.
Oh. Vomit's always good for YouTube videos.
Yeah.
This has been an Orlick presentation of the OFL, Orlick Football League.